Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Important dates, and we're looking at events as well. So we'll be going from January to December. So the first one being the World Leprosy Eradication Day. So the World Leprosy Eradication Day. So World Leprosy Eradication is celebrated on January and it is the last Sunday. Next we move on to the World Cancer Day. Cancer Day. So World Cancer Day is on Feb 4th. Then looking at the International Day of Zero Tolerance to Female Genital Mutilation. So the International Day for the Zero Tolerance to the Female Genital Mutilation. To the Female Genital Mutilation. So this is going to be the February 6th. Next is the National Deworming Day. So National Deworming. So National Deworming Day is February 8th. Is going to be February 8th, and this is the first round. Next is February 14th, which is mop up. Then there is also the August 8th. Then the Sexual Reproductive Health Awareness Day. Reproductive Health Awareness Day. This is seen on February 12th. Then when you look at the World Glaucoma Week, the World Glaucoma Week is seen in March 12th to 18th. So let's write March. So March 12th to 18th. The World Kidney Day is the World Kidney Day. This is celebrated on March 2nd Thursday. March 2nd Thursday. And then is the Measles Immunization Day. Measles Immunization Day is on March 16th. The World Oral Health Day. This is celebrated on March 20th. World Down Syndrome Day is celebrated on March 21st. Then World Water Day. World Water Day is celebrated on March 22. Next is the World TB Day. This is important. The World TB Day is celebrated on the March 24th. So March 24th. Then comes the World Autism Awareness Day. So the World Autism Awareness Day. So World Autism Awareness Day is seen on April 2. So April 2. And then we look at the World Health Day. Health Day is on April 7th. The World Hemophilia Day is on April 17th. And the World Liver Day, the World Kidney Day was on March 2nd Thursday. The World Liver Day is on the April 19th. Next we move on to the World Malaria Day. World Malaria Day is on April 25. Next is the World Immunization Week. The World Immunization Week is on April 24th to the 30th. Now World Asthma Day. World Asthma Day is on the May 1st Tuesday. It is the May 1st Tuesday. Then World Red Cross Day. When is World Red Cross? So World Red Cross Day or the World Thalassemia Day. So both of them, they fall on the same day, that is the May 8th. So both of them are on the May 8th. Next is the World Chronic Fatigue Syndrome. World Chronic Fatigue Syndrome. So World Chronic Fatigue Syndrome Awareness Day. So this is on May 12th. So on May 12th. National Dengue Day is on May 16th. Dengue Day is on May 16th. World MS Day is on May last Wednesday. So it is on May and it is the last Wednesday. International Women's Day is on May 28th. World No Tobacco Day. No Tobacco Day. This is on May 31st. Next is the World Brain Tumor Day. World Brain Tumor Day. This will be on June 8th. Next is the World Blood Donor Day. World Blood Donor Day. This is on the June 14th. Next is the Autistic Pride Day. So Autistic Pride Day is on the June 18th. And the International Day of Yoga. This is on June 21st. Then the International Day for against the drug abuse and illicit trafficking. Drug abuse as well as the illicit trafficking. This is on June 26. Now we move on to the month of July. So in the month of July, there is 11th. 11th is the World Population Day. Next, in the month of July, there is 28th. 28th is considered as World Hepatitis Day. And there is also the ORS Day. ORS Day is on July 29. Next, let's move on to the month of August. So in the month of August, there are two important events. One is the World Breastfeeding Week. There's a World Breastfeeding Week. So this is in from 1 to 7th, first week of August. Next is the National Eye Donation Fortnight. The National Eye Donation Fortnight. So this is seen during August 25th to the September 8th. So it is August 25th to the September 8th. Next, we move on to the month of September. September, there are many. So in September, the National Nutrition Week. National Nutrition Week. This is seen from September 1 to 7. Then the World Suicide Prevention Week. The World Suicide Prevention Day. This is on September 10th. And looking at the World Alzheimer's Day. World Alzheimer's Day. So this World Alzheimer's Day is on September 21. We have already written September, so September 21. Then the World Day of Deaf. The World Day of Deaf. This is on September 30th. 30th September, that was in 2019, and it is on the last Monday of September. It is celebrated in the last Monday of September. Next, we look at the World Rabies Day. So this is a continuation of September. So World Rabies Day is also seen in September, that is the September 28th is the World Rabies Day. Then we look at the World Heart Day, is also in September. So it is the 29th is the World Heart Day. And this was in September 29. Next we move on to the month of October. So in the month of October, there is a Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It is a Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And looking at October, there is October 1. The October 1 is the International Day for the Elderly. So it is International Day for the Elderly. October 2 is for the National Anti-Drug Addiction Day. Anti-Drug Addiction Day. Then we move on to the World Cerebral Palsy Day. So the World Cerebral Palsy Day. So the World Cerebral Palsy Day is the October 1st Wednesday, is on October, and it is a first Wednesday. Next, we again continue with the October. So in the month of October, we look at the World Sight Day. The World Sight Day is on the October 11th, and this was for 2018, and it is celebrated on second Thursday of October every year. So it is the second Thursday of October, and it is every year. Then we look at the World Obesity Day. So the World Obesity Day, this is nothing but in October 11th. Then we move on to the World Mental Health Day. Health is the Mental Health Day. This is on October 10th. Then looking at the Global Hand Washing Day. So in the month of October, the Global Hand Washing Day. Global Hand Wash. Hand Wash Day is on October 15th. Then the World Anesthesia Day. The World Anesthesia Day is on the October 16th. Then the World Trauma Day. World Trauma Day is going to be on October 17th. The World Iodine Deficiency Day. This is on October 21st. And there is the World Polio Day. The World Polio Day is on October 24th. Then comes the World Stroke Day. World Polio Day is on October 24th, And the World Stroke Day, this is on October 29th. Now we move on to the month of November. So in the month of November, there is the National Cancer Awareness Day. So it's the National Cancer Awareness. So in terms of National Cancer Awareness, there is November 17th. November 7th. This is on November 7th. So we are looking at the month of November. Then when you look at the World Immunization Day, World Immunization Day is on November 10th. And the World Pneumonia Day, World Pneumonia Day is on November 12th. Next, we move on to World Antibiotic Awareness Week. The World Antibiotic Awareness Week. So in Antibiotic Awareness Week, there is November 7th. So this is all in the month of November. So Antibiotic Awareness Week is on November 13th to 19th. World Diabetes Day. The World Diabetes Day. This will be on November 14th. Next is the National Epilepsy Day. So National Epilepsy. This will be in the November 17th. Then we look at the World COPD Day. This is all in November. So World COPD Day, this is on November 21st. And this was in 2018. And it can be variable as well, COPD Day. Then comes the Newborn Care Week. So newborn. The Newborn Care Week is considered to be in November 15th to 21. Next we move on to the World AIDS Day. So this is December. So in December we have number 1, that is the World AIDS Day. So it is a World AIDS Day. Next is the December 3. December 3 is the International Day of Persons with Disability. International Day of Persons with Disability. Next is so we finish the persons with disability. Then December 9th is the World Patient Safety Day. So World Patient Safety Day. Next is the Universal Health Coverage, UHC, Universal Health Coverage Day. So let's write it, health coverage. So this is nothing but on December 12th. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.